Hey, welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining us today. Look, this is a long time coming. I haven't been on the channel for I don't know how long, possibly a year. I started the channel back in January of 2018. I put out 3 videos and then disappeared. So thank you for those of you who hung around and waiting for the very first video of 2019 and the 4th video for this channel. Well, what's happening? I've actually started to think about the content and the direction of the channel very early. I know it's only 3 videos in, and I'm starting to think there's a lot of tech reviews happening out there. I'm a bit of a geek guy myself. I love tech. I love all things tech, but there's more to my life than just the tech in my life. And so what I'm thinking about doing is actually starting to talk about the things that I do in my everyday life, the leadership development that I do, people development, and then how technology can actually influence that place. See, one of the biggest things that I'm starting to realize is that in leadership or in the workplace, there's this element of automation, AI, artificial intelligence. All these things are starting to creep into our world, and it's starting to cause a bit of angst with workers in the workplace, and people are starting to lose their jobs. But do you know what? The future is human. And I want to use this channel to influence people for their development, how to use things like technology and influence their way of leadership and leading people and developing people. Because the future is human, people, not just AI, not just technology. So yeah, I'm still going to be doing a bit of a geek channel. I'm still going to be doing a bit of a creative piece around technology and how it influences my life. But I want to bring my life into the general community of what I'm doing on YouTube here as well. So you might see, I'm not going to say I'm a vlogger because that's something that I don't believe I can connect or commit to, but I'll do some vlogs, I'll do some leadership development things, and also I'm going to do some things around technology. Yep, so I've got the 10S Plus, the Galaxy 10S Plus, which launched in Australia officially today. I got mine on the pre-order yesterday with the buds. Gotta love these buds. I tell you what, as an Apple user, I'm an avid Apple user. Behind this camera is a 27-inch iMac, there's 3 iPads, there's an iPhone, there's a MacBook Air. In this house there is buttloads more of Apple products because of my whole family being into that ecosystem, plus the watches and everything else that we've got. So this is a big thing for me stepping over to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, but with our carrier here in Australia, we've got the upgrade option to the 5G. So that was a big thing for me. So kudos to Samsung for putting out the free buds. They are fantastic. We made a review. Like I said, I don't want this just to be a tech review channel. I want it to be a channel about influencing your life. How do you grow your life? How do you grow your development in yourself? And what can I bring to the table with that? So thanks again. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And I think we're going to see some change happening on this channel. And a big call out to Wild Chris for influencing me to come back. And there's a link to his channel down below. So thanks so much for subscribing, and thank you for joining us again today. Look, I really look forward to meeting you in the future and communicating with you on the channel here. What I'll do is I'll start putting some links into my social media so we can connect on there as well. So Twitter and Instagram. And it'll be my personal account. I'm not going to set up a Geek channel account for that as well. Actually, I think I already have for Twitter. But look, I'll put some links in the descriptions in coming videos. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. And see you in the next time. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.